If you've only got one day to spend in beautiful Santa Monica, California, stick around. We're going to show you our favorite day of the whole SoCal road trip, where we rode bikes along the beach, walked the 3rd Street Promenade, enjoyed the rides and sights of Santa Monica Pier, and more.
This is Magellan,
And this is Greyhound.
where we make videos about epic road trips, kayaking, hiking, and other outdoor adventures. This video is a part of an epic road trip we took through Southern California, where we visited Malibu, Santa Monica, Death Valley National Park, and more. Located between Los Angeles and Malibu, Santa Monica is a must-visit beautiful coastal city. Our first order of business was to park in a downtown garage right off of Santa Monica Boulevard. We then rented bikes for $15 a day and headed to the Strand, the 22-mile stretch of bike path that starts in the Pacific Palisades and ends at Torrance County Beach. Here you can explore the great views up and down Santa Monica Beach and the Santa Monica Mountains to your northwest. To the southeast, you can visit the Santa Monica Pier and the original Muscle Beach, or continue on to Venice Beach to check out the boardwalk, skate park, current Muscle Beach, and the famous Venice sign. After a few hours of riding and stopping for some good eats, we returned our bikes and proceeded on foot into downtown. Our first destination was the 3rd Street Promenade, 3 car-free blocks located in downtown Santa Monica, with restaurants, bars, shops, and these dinosaur hedge fountains.
Guys, someone needs to explain the dinosaurs. There's gotta be a reason why there's dinosaurs in the promenade, okay? Someone comment below. Here's some more dinosaurs.
There's also these swirly chairs, which we later found out are called Magus Spun chairs. We did our part to make it socially acceptable for adults to play on them. From here, we hopped onto the famous Santa Monica Boulevard, heading towards the ocean and the pier, passing more restaurants, bars, and shops until we reached Ocean Avenue. Once you cross the street, you are now in Palisades Park, a beautiful 1.6-mile section along Ocean Avenue that features many varieties of palm trees, public art, and Civil War cannons.
So one of the cool things about Santa Monica is it is the very western end of Route 66. So there's even a visitor center here if you want to check it out if you're doing Route 66.
This park links up to the entrance to the Santa Monica Pier, the heart of Santa Monica.
So you cannot take a visit to Santa Monica without visiting the Santa Monica Pier.
You'll know you've arrived when you see this iconic sign, which has been around since 1909. This is an incredible scenic walk with sweeping ocean views on either side, plus the beautiful backdrop of the Santa Monica Mountains to the northwest. You'll catch more Route 66 signage on your way too.
For a small fee, Zoltar will give you a wealth of wisdom.
After checking out the Zoltar machine, is anyone not a fan of the movie Big? We decided to beeline towards the Pacific Wheel, the iconic solar-powered Ferris wheel that can be seen from afar. It's located in the amusement park portion of the pier, called Pacific Park.
So it's kind of a silly ride, but you actually get a really cool view of the pier and the beach and just the whole ocean and everything. It's just really nice. Yo, Magellan's freaking the F out.
Why am I doing this? Why am
look at this grip.
doing
Look at this
this?
grip.
Afterwards, after I filled up my fear of heights meter for the day, Greyhound decided to ride the Sea Dragon, a 180-degree swinging thrill ride. Yeah, I'm not doing that. She then decided, in true Greyhound fashion,
I'm going on the roller coaster, man.
it's called the West Coaster and goes around the whole park.
We're going for a second time.
All that fun made Greyhound hungry. Porker alert!
I love how they assumed that there was going to be like 2 people eating this.
Afterwards, we decided to walk to the end of the pier as the sun started to set. It was a perfect 65 degrees with a light breeze, considering we were essentially on the ocean. Once the sun goes down, the park looks really cool at night. We decided as our closing act to channel our inner kid and hit the arcade, playing various different games and looking totally goofy doing so. It was pretty much a perfect day.
For anyone who wants to do the Santa Monica to Venice Beach bike ride, our next video is going to go more in depth, showing our route, all our stops, and all the cool and very bizarre sights. So stay tuned for that and let us know what your favorite part of Santa Monica is. We'll see you on the trails or in the water.